This past weekend, I took part in the Chiang Mai Sketch Walk 2024 event. Urban sketches converged from around the world in Chiang Mai, Thailand. I had an early start each day as I live a fair distance from the old city of Chiang Mai. But once I got there, I met a whole lot of people from so many countries. We split into smaller groups, and over the 2 days we walked around the old city of Chiang Mai and sketched at various locations for 2 full days and nights. There were also demonstrations offered at each of the venues where some very skilled and talented artists displayed and explained their style and techniques. On this day, I watched the demonstration by Malaysian artist Kek Hoon Pin. We walked through the old city streets until we came to Wat Intakin. Kek walked around a bit until he found the place that he felt would make an interesting sketch, and then he got to it. I hope you will join me now as we watch Kek produce the most beautiful sketch. He completed the process in under an hour.